Okay, so we have a lot of things here. Here's the corpus callosum, which is a type of commissure. There's also an anterior commissure and a posterior commissure. This is the fornix, which hooks together a lot of the limbic systems, the structures. This is the septum pellucid that divides the lateral ventricles. Between them is the interventricular foramen that leads to the third ventricle. The walls of the diencephalon basically are the walls of the third ventricle. From the third ventricle, we go through the cerebral aqueduct to the fourth ventricle. From the fourth ventricle, we go out either the median aperture or the two lateral apertures, or down the central canal. The cerebrospinal fluid is going to go through this central canal and around the cord and in the subarachnoid space. And eventually, it will go through the arachnoid villi and be emptied into the dural venous sinuses. So it's made from blood and will return to blood eventually. Okay. This is probably supposed to be the choroid plexus. This is the thalamus, hypothalamus, pituitary, optic chiasm, mammary bodies, which are part of the hypothalamus, corpora quadrigeminus, superior cuticuli for visual reflexes, inferior cuticuli for hearing reflexes, mammary bodies for supposedly smell reflexes, but they also have suckling and other reflexes like that. This is the midbrain. This is the pons. This is the medulla oblongata. The white matter here is called the arbor vitae. Everybody gets that.
Tree of life.
Tree of life. Now there's the falx cerebri separates the two hemispheres of the brain. The falx cerebelli separates the two hemispheres of the cerebellum. The tensorium cerebelli is between the cerebellum and the cerebrum. And this fissure is called the transverse fissure. It's the longitudinal fissure. You can see it over there. Let's see, what else do we have?
Where's the pineal gland?
Be back here someplace. Maybe here at least. Back here someplace.
What does it do?
It secretes melatonin, which is involved in circadian rhythms, day-night cycles, things like that. But too much melatonin can make it kind of depressed. Some people makes them depressed, okay? And they go through what we call seasonal affective disorder. In the wintertime, it's darker, you make more melatonin. But some people take melatonin to help them with jet lag and help them go to sleep. But it also helped push one of my students over the edge, put her into a big depression. And then she wound up in a mental institution.
Oh my gosh.
She got out.
What did you do to you?
Yeah, but she got out and got a B.
Oh.
Pretty good, huh?
You think it's melatonin. It was really